Pizza recipe is here. It's a pizza with no dough, no flour. It's gonna be consistent with the beef. Zero carb meatza, beef crust pizza, the ultimate meatza. No dough beef pizza, gluten-free pizza, high protein pizza hack. The 100% meat pizza, keto pizza, just beef and cheese.
I'm gonna feed him if you're coming for me. Hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving.
We have 2 pounds of the ground beef. Let's turn on our oven, 400. It's on the pre. We will prepare for our beef crust. Grab a baking sheet for the pizza. If you have a round butter paper, use it. Grab our marinade bowl. We will take out our ground beef. This is 1 pound of the grass-fed ground beef, 85 to 15. So 85% is the lean meat and 15% is the fat. And here goes the second. This will be our pizza crust, but we have to season our pizza crust too. This is minced dried onion. Take 1 whole tablespoon of minced onion. Coriander, 2 tablespoons. This is black pepper. Half tablespoon of the black pepper. I'm using garlic salt. 2 tablespoons of garlic salt in here. Cornstarch. This is the secret. It will help you in the binding and it will make the crust stay together. So we'll take 3 tablespoons. They go all in here. All the ingredients are here. Let's just mix these guys up. So our crust gonna have the flavor. So it's kind of a dough right now. You see this? This is high protein pizza. Once you put all these ingredients, mix it at least for 5 minutes from the hand, or if you want to put it in a mixer, definitely do that. All the crust mixing has been done. You can use butter paper for this recipe, or let me give you my way, the easy way you can do that. Grab olive oil spray, or if you have regular olive oil, put it right on your pizza sheet, just like that. Grab all this beef crust, spread it out, and make it a pizza, a perfect round pizza. It should be equally distributed meat. Edges can be thicker. You guys see it's forming up? So easy, huh? It's already looking like a pizza. Beef crust pizza. I'll add some olive oil on the edges. We have to cook the crust first for this recipe. So this recipe, this is just the crust, the meat crust for our meatza, right? We will put this in the oven at least for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And here you go, our meat crust in the oven. We'll check back this guy at 610. 610, the crust is cooking up. Let's take it out. Oh my God, it smells so good. A little bit extra oils. We will try to take this oil out. We have drained the extra oils. Look at this crust. Get the pizza topping on top. First thing you will put on top, pizza sauce. 4 tablespoons of the pizza sauce on it. Just roughly spread it evenly. Mozzarella cheese. 1 pound of the shredded cheese. I'm taking a handful of the shredded cheese first. We will give it a layer. At least 2 handful of cheese layer. This is fajita mix, red capsicum, bell peppers. Just dress it nicely. Some of the green for the color pop and the flavor. Sliced onion, diced olives. Cherry tomatoes, these are optional. If you don't want to add, don't do it. Fresh basil plant, we will take some basil leaves and just dress it. For the next layer, again handful of cheese, put it on top of the veggies. So we added at least 3 cups of mozzarella cheese on the 2 pounds of the beef crust pizza. Let me add some more olive. Let me add some more basil on it. Here goes our meatza, back in oven at least for 15 minutes. Time is 6:20 by 6:35. We will open and get our delicious meatza. It's been 6:30, so altogether 20 minutes our beef crust meatza was in the oven. Let's turn off the oven. That is enough for the pizza. So bake is off. Yum. Let it sit here for another 5 minutes. 35 minutes. Our pizza is completely ready. Man, it smells so good. Meat lover pizza is finally ready. Dress it out with some fresh basil on top, and here you go. Easy to do. Our delicious meat lover pizza is completely ready. Enjoy this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy this. Meat lover beef crust pizza you can make in your oven in for the whole process 40 minutes. Cooking time 20 minutes at 400 degree. Enjoy this recipe. Wow. You have to make this recipe. Get all these ingredients, make this recipe. Trust me, it's really good. It's better than a pizza. Pizza. Normally you don't need the crust, right? This crust, you will love it.